All right, in this video, we're going to show you how to pair a new B-hyve with the Smart app once you get it. So beginning this process, you'll notice I have a B-hyve here. It's plugged in. You'll notice a small icon at the top that's flashing. It's a Bluetooth symbol with some waves. That indicates that this timer is in pairing mode and it's ready to pair. So at that point, you would switch over to the app to do everything else. Okay, so we're here in the app. We're going to go ahead and create a new account. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and log in with that. Next, you'll go ahead and read the terms of agreement, agree to those, and the privacy terms, agree to those, and you're ready to continue. Right, this screen will go ahead and agree to receive notifications. This will notify us of any rain delays that are implemented. Okay, so from this screen, we will select the device that we have. We've got the underground timer, so that's the first one here. Verify that it is powered on and in pairing mode. Quickly, we'll just look on the back panel of the timer and you'll be able to see the MAC ID address of the timer that you have. Just verify that that's the same and we'll go ahead and connect. All right, on this screen, you'll go ahead and scroll through all the available Wi-Fi networks and find that which is yours and type in the password. All right, now that that is paired with your Wi-Fi network, you'll need to enter your location so that it can get accurate real-time weather updates. You can either punch in the address or you can use the current location. On this screen, you can give your timer a name if you don't prefer to call it Smart Outdoor Timer. You can also take a picture if you don't prefer the one that's included by default. Here we'll continue our initial setup. Now in this one, you'll be able to select the number of stations that you actually have attached to valves. So in this case, we've got a 12-zone timer, but we'll actually only connect 3 valves. In this next screen, it's going to test each station for a minute, and you'll want to verify that it is actually running and the valves are coming on and the sprinklers are coming on. Once it is, you can go ahead and click the green check mark and proceed. Give the zone a name. I'll call this one the front lawn. You can take a picture if you desire and continue on to the next zone. All right, that finished. We have the option here to select our watering mode. We have 2 options. Smart mode is one that will continuously update using the real-time weather data and set your schedule to what it deems to be the perfect scheduling. Now, if you have your own programs that you like to run, you can go ahead and click custom and enter those in. We'll have other videos on that you can see. But in this case, we're going to select Smart. To implement Smart mode, we just need to click on which zones we want to do Smart and fill out some of the details about the zone. We'll need soil type, plant type, sprinkler type, and so on. We'll need to repeat this process for each of the zones. We'll skip that now and do that setup later. Once it's all figured out, you'll be in this screen which will let you determine some of the watering restrictions you may have. This is not required, but if you do live in a place where there are watering restrictions, such as days and times that you're not allowed to water, you can go ahead and set that here. So for example's sake, we'll say that we're not allowed to water on Monday, Wednesdays, or Fridays. So this will only water on Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. With that completed, we are now done with the setup. The device will start to receive real-time weather updates and will schedule your program accordingly.